Have you just bought a Xiaomi device or need to switch to a new language? If you've ever found yourself struggling with how to do it, don't worry. We've got you covered. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of changing the language on your Xiaomi phone, and trust me, it's much easier than you might think. Let's get started. First, open up the Settings app on your device. Once you're in, scroll down a little until you see Additional Settings tap on that. It'll bring you to a new menu where you'll want to find and select Languages and Input. This is where all the language options are hiding. Next, you'll see a Languages option in a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that. And here's where the magic happens. You'll be greeted with a list of all the languages your Xiaomi device supports. All you need to do is pick the one you want, and your phone will automatically update to that language. It's that simple. And there you go. In just a few quick steps, you've changed the language on your Xiaomi device. Super easy, right? Whether you're doing it for the first time or just switching to a language you're more comfortable with, it only takes a minute. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And for more helpful tech tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.